Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to apply the iOS style on your Nothing Phone 2a. So in order to do that, go to your Play Store, find your search bar here, tap on your search bar. Now type iOS launcher. So let's find the exact one. So it's gonna be iOS launcher from Launcher Studio. Let's find it. Here it is. Press install and give it a few seconds to install. Okay, after installation, press open, press get started, press agree, press continue. Okay, press continue. Give all the necessary permits. Okay. So in the application, find set as default, press Launcher Pro, and now, as we see, our phone is in iOS style. So it looks really cool to me. So if you want to turn it off and go to standard, launch your Launcher Pro once again, press set as default and choose your Nothing launcher. So as we see, our phone is back to normal. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.